Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this TP-Link 300 Mbps Wi-Fi 4G LTE router, the model TL-MR6400, SIM plug and play, 4G TDD and FTD with a 3G compatible, 300 Mbps it is the wireless speed with a Qualcomm inside for better reliability. I have purchased this router because I want to connect all my smart cameras. In my second place, I don't have an internet access, that's why I think this is a good choice. Connect all my cameras and see how it works. Well, stay with me guys, you are gonna find out all about this product. And let's move on, see more of the specs. Super fast 4G LTE speed for reliable Wi-Fi to achieve speeds of up to 100 Mbps download and 50 Mbps upload. It also serves a Wi-Fi network with a maximum speed of up to 300 Mbps on a 2.4 GHz for gaming, streaming and more. Designed for maximum network coverage, advanced LTE antennas makes efficient and stable connections to every device. Power amplifier and low noise amplifier boost sending and receiving capabilities, creating a wide coverage Wi-Fi network for your home. Got a SIM card? Yep, then plug it in. Simply insert your 3G 4G nano SIM card into the built-in slot, turn on the router and start surfing. Powerful processor for superior stability, connects up to 32 wireless devices with ease thanks to the powerful processor that boosts data transfer speeds while ensuring dependable network stability. Management made simple. Parental controls let you easily manage your kids by limiting access to internet. Guest network provides separate Wi-Fi access to guests while securing network. Available one connection backup with a fully functional one LAN port. Can work as a router which is compatible with cable, fiber and DSL modems. And if you have inserted your SIM card at the router, then it works like a backup. When you have problem with your DSL fiber network, you can use your SIM card network. And all the settings and the options, you can adjust it from the TP-Link Tether app. You can download from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this 4G LTE router. Insert and SIM, make some tests, and see of course the speed. That is the most important when you are buying a router, to have a fast internet speed. Inside we're gonna find out the quick installation guide. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. We have the power adapter. It is a 9 volt, 0.85 amps and 7.65 watt. Okay. The cable, it is about 1.2 meters, good length. Ethernet cable. And the cable, it is 1 meter. Nice. And it is Cat5 UTP. Okay. The two antennas. And there it is, nice and glossy. Okay. At the back we have this stand. Here we have these screw holes if you want to mount it at the wall. Here you can install the two antennas. Adjustable, 360. Okay. We have the power connection, LAN 1, 2, 3 and the 4 it is LAN N1. You can connect your modem from your internet provider if you don't want to use your 4G SIM card, or you can use any your SIM card as a backup. The Wi-Fi on-off button, the WPS reset button, and of course the slot for the nano SIM card. And at the bottom, this design, it works like a cooling system. It has holes. Now let's install the nano SIM. goes here, just press and it locks. Very easy. Now, let's plug it in, start the setup. Let's remove this protective film. Oh my god, it's so glossy. Do a matte design, TP-Link. I think it is better. Okay, now you need to download the Tether app, make an account, and let's add the device. 3G, 4G router. Prepare the hardware, I already done that. Connect hardware, insert the SIM, done and that, next. Power up the router. And we can see in the lights. Done. Check the router's LEDs, wait about 1 minute until all the Wi-Fi LEDs are solid on. Okay, let's wait. Are on. Step 1, get the Wi-Fi info, the SSID and the password. Step 2, connect to network. Go to your Wi-Fi settings. And there it is, TP-Link DCB6. Enter the password. It is at the back of this router. I have entered the password. Connect. Of course, the SSID and the password, you can change it at any time. Let's go back. I'm connected. There it is, select the device that you are setting up. Connect your router, create a local password, okay. Create. Okay, now we need to enter the password that I have created. Login. And there it is. Done. This device is not bound to the TP-Link IT. Please bind for remote management and more functions. Okay, bind now. One client is connected. I am the client, my smartphone, the name, connection type, IP address, and the MAC address. Let's go back. And of course, by tapping here, you can see the 2.4 GHz wireless network. You can rename the network. And of course, you can change the password. Security encrypted or no password. It is your choice. Encrypted, of course. And of course, you can switch off your Wi-Fi if you want. Let's go back. Status, data roaming, mobile data it is, network mode, 4G preferred or 3G only. Of course, 4G. It is faster. Band. The device will automatically choose optimal LTE frequency and you can choose one of these band, 1, 3, 7 or 20. I think the auto is perfect. Let's choose again auto and save. Dial-up settings. We can see here the profile name, BTB type, APN, username, password, authentication type. Okay, let's go back. Create a profile. You can create other profile. This is the settings from your provider for your SIM card to have internet access. Most of the time, these settings are installed automatically from the provider. Let's go back and back again. Guest network. Here you can create a guest network and you can choose local access if you want. You can switch on the wireless. You can create a new password. Leave. Clients. You can see again my device, tools, quick setup. And again, you can do the profile settings. As I said, this is from your network provider, are installed automatically. Let's go back. Wireless. Again, you can change the password here at these tools, internet connection. I already showed you that, guys. Let's go back. Data usage settings. Total 1.9 megabytes. Total data usage limit. You can do that. You can choose megabytes or gigabytes. Let's say 2 gigabytes. Done and save. Usage alert, you can choose the percentage, 90%. SMS alert for usage, please enter phone number. This function may cause SMS charges. Okay, you can enter other phone number and you will get notification to the other phone number for any SMS. PIN management, SIM card status ready, PIN code, you can enter the PIN code if you want. No, I don't. Parental controls, content restriction, you can block websites and save. Turn off, let's go back. Network diagnostics, let's run. Perfect, your connection with a router's connection with Ethernet. SMS, you can see the inbox. Oh, I like that. Maybe you can send an SMS. Yes, you can do that. Dial the number and you can just type the content and send. Nice. Outbox, and you can see in the outbox. Perfect. Can I receive phone calls? I don't think so. Guest network, again, you can access the guest network and set up a guest network. You can share the Wi-Fi with a QR code. Tap, and there it is. It's yours. TP-Link ID, you can change the TP-Link ID. LED control, you can just switch off the LEDs here or switch on. And you can use the night mode and you can choose from, adjust the time and the minutes, to. And you will have a night mode at this time. Let's switch on the LEDs. Let's go back. Operation mode, you can choose LTE getaway current or wireless router. Enables multiple users to share an Ethernet 1 E1 internet connections. Okay, nice. For now, the 3G, 4G. I will do later a video for using the wireless router. And system, firmware update. Your firmware is up to date. Perfect. You can reboot factory defaults or log out. You can manage the password, the admin password, and that was all. Home again. Now let's see in the LEDs, the on-off LED, the internet LED, the Wi-Fi, and the signal strength 3 LEDs. And we have and the LAN LED. Now let's test and the Ethernet speed. Now I'm starting the test from my smartphone. I am 2 meters away and 15 meters away from the 4G LTE router. 2 meters away I am on 55 megabytes per second download and upload 28 megabytes per second. On 15 meters I am about 20 megabytes per second and 14 to 15 megabytes per second upload. And the signal, it is very strong from the provider. If I will run the test installing the SIM card at my smartphone, on 4G Plus or 5G it goes more than 500 megabytes per second. And I have run the test twice just to make a comparison. And we have the same results. Now moving on from my laptop, again 2 meters and 15 meters away, and we can see it's about 50 megabytes per second on download and 20 megabytes per second on upload on 2 meters. And on 15 meters away, the download goes on 28 megabytes per second and upload 12 megabytes per second. And again, I have run the test twice. And on the second time, more or less, it is the same results. Now let's connect on the Ethernet cable, do the internet speed and from the LAN port. And the LED, it is on. Wow! And now through the Ethernet cable we can see the speed. It is faster, definitely. It goes about 80 megabytes per second download and about 20 megabytes per second upload. Let me say from my provider, upload is not so good even on a 4G plus or on a 5G. When I'm running the test from my smartphone, it doesn't go more than 50 megabytes per second. But mostly I care about the wireless bit because I will not use the LAN ports. I will connect some smart devices, cameras, mostly cameras, and some lights. Because on my second place I don't have an internet connection, and that's why I want to use this 4G LTE router. And again, I have run the test twice, and the second time we have the same results. Well guys, that was all about this 4G LTE router. Definitely I will connect some of my smart devices, cameras. That is the reason that I purchased this router, and see how it goes. Definitely I will do a second video and I will show you guys how you can manage and connect this LTE 4G router from your desktop. I think it will be faster and definitely you will have more options. And of course I will use it as a wireless router. I will connect at the one port my Ethernet cable from my modem, and I will test my internet speed through this 4G LTE router. Well guys, until my next video, please subscribe. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.